This is the Daily Market Comment by Marios Hadjikyriacos. I'm Maria Pachardis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. Global markets woke up in a better mood on Monday, with stocks in Tokyo gaining roughly 4% and futures pointing to a similar open in New York as a slowdown in new infections in Europe signaled that the Draconian lockdowns are finally starting to pay dividends. The growth rate of new cases and deaths has clearly started to decline in Italy, indicating that the outbreak may have reached a plateau and that brighter days might lie ahead for virus-ravaged Europe. The defensive Japanese yen is surrendering ground in this cheerful environment, as investors seem happy to trim their exposure to safe havens and deploy funds into riskier ventures. Is this the beginning of a healthy rally, or are investors just thirsty for any positive news and are prematurely front-running a recovery in the global economy? On balance, this still looks like a case of over-optimism. Yes, there are undeniable rays of light in Europe, and even America seems to be gradually leveling off. Alas, a lot of uncertainty is still in the air, and there is no clear timeline for when any of these economies will be reopened, which is the most important variable for markets. The bottom line is that the worst may not be over, and it seems premature to say that the bottom is in for stocks. Gold is trading well higher today, indicating that many investors are still playing defense, even as stocks recover. The energy market is back in the spotlight, with crude prices opening lower today after Saudi Arabia and Russia delayed until Thursday a virtual meeting to discuss production cuts that was supposed to take place today. The two countries blamed each other for the collapse of the production talks last month, dashing hopes for a quick agreement. Yet oil prices have already recovered a good chunk of their losses, signaling that investors didn't take this delay as a signal the production deal will fall apart altogether. The calendar is light today, though things could get more exciting early on Tuesday when the Reserve Bank of Australia concludes its policy meeting. This is today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.